Hello friends of Tony's Little Garden, welcome to another video where today I am here harvesting eggplants. The truth is I have a ton, 12 eggplant plants that just keep producing. I have three varieties, striped, white and purple, the usual one. And today we are going to make a different video. We are going to see how we can make eggplant pâté. An exquisite delight of the gods for breakfast that is very easy and with products from the garden. First things first, harvest our eggplants like this white one I have here. Quite big. The truth is that this is your I'm going to take it to prepare the pâté. It doesn't necessarily have to be white eggplant. It can be any type of eggplant, striped or purple. But the white has the advantage that it doesn't need to be peeled. Look how productive the eggplants are. Truly incredible this year. I have a lot. And then I'll be back to make. At I make a pâté that I learned about on Sergey's channel, Mas Les Vignes. I'll leave a link here for you to watch the original video. The good thing about this pâté is that we are going to use seasonal produce from the garden and exclusively from our garden, like the garlic we harvested recently, the onions too, and the white eggplants. This one is a good size. I used 3 eggplants, but since these are smaller, I will treat them as if they were 1. 3 large eggplants, 4 onions, and 8 or 10 cloves of garlic. I added 10 because I like them to have more garlic, but we can adjust that to our taste, and also some lemons. So let's start cooking then. Let's light the fire. We add a good splash of olive oil, and once the oil heats up, we saute a bit of garlic. I have cut them like this. Perfect. When they are a bit golden, we add the onion. This smells, I love the smell of the sauté. On stir with the stick now. Once we have the onion done, we add the eggplant. The good thing about the white eggplant is that we don't have to peel it, but if you use another type of eggplant, you would have to peel it. Since this one has a soft skin, we don't need to. So we cut it into pieces and let it cook. And very important, let's not forget to add a good handful of salt and stir. Let it keep cooking. How it smells. We keep stirring so it doesn't burn. About 20 minutes have passed, and if you notice, well, the eggplant is already done. That's all soft style, it's perfect. Here we can add some more seasoning, although I normally only add a bit of sweet paprika, but we can add something spicy too, like a cayenne pepper or black pepper. This is to taste. We turn off the heat and pass it through the blender or food mill. Taking advantage of the fact that we're going to use the blender, it's also a good time to adjust the salt sa manasteguan. So if it's a bit bland, we can add a little more. So once it tastes just how we want, we can fill our pâté jars, which are going to be a delight. Then we clean that. Nice and warm, it's much better, you'll see, because we fill it up to the top, leaving about a finger's width unfilled. Very good. Perfect. Now we add a splash of lemon, which, although it changes the flavor a bit, is really important for preservation effects because the lemon modifies the pH, and with that, we ensure the preserve doesn't get contaminated and is safe for our consumption. Once it's filled, we tightly close the lid and turn the jar upside down, taking advantage of the heat. So to create a vacuum effect, that we leave it upside down for 24 hours. Come on, I'll do the rest and we continue. After 24 hours, we can turn them over and our eggplant pâté preserve is ready. If we want it to last more than 6 months, we should give it a water bath. So I don't think they'll last that long because it's delicious. I encourage you to try it. And then now we have it ready. You see, it's an easy, simple recipe and a way to make use of our eggplants.